turn on or turn off screen share protections on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down to and click on developer option. So after click on developer option, scroll down and search turn off screen share protections. Scroll down and search from here. So you will see turn off screen share protection is here. So if you want to turn on screen share protection, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see screen share protection is turned on. So if you want to turn off screen share protection, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see screen share protection is turned off. So you will turn on or turn off screen share protection from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off screen share protection on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.